The all-new 2023 GMC Sierra Denali HD Dually. This is part 3 in the final interior video, and just like I started off here, guys, there are actually 8 sides to every rag if you fold it right. So that's what I was kind of showing there, and I'm working a little bit more there inside of all of these positions. Just kind of notice some of the spots I'm getting, the places that a lot of people forget and miss. Here I am again showing off some of that little action there with the folding of the rag. There's a lot of sneaky places inside of here, inside of these seats, under them, in all of the cargo bays, and we were able to get all of that, the carpets and everything vacuumed, shampooed to a point, as well as take care of all the leather, vinyl, and plastic surfaces. Again, we started inside because we didn't want any of this going to the outside on the paint after we got it right. So we're taking care of everything first on the inside and then working our way out from there. And we'll do our glass final after we get everything on there because we're going to be applying a coating as well. Cleaned everything we took out. Now we got to put it back in. That'll wrap up that interior, guys, and we're gonna get everything ready for the exterior as well. Look at all these spots, hidey holes up under the seats, carpets, you name it, we got it. Yes, we took care of the mats. You'll see those again at the end of the video, and oh yeah, even in the seats, baby. Now that the interior is complete, we can get onto that exterior and prepping for the ceramic coating. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Yes, your car can look like this too. And yes, you can turn it into an investment. Come to Diamond Details Washington, located in Yelm, Washington, and we'll get you taken care of today. Thank you guys again so much for your support.